This is Japan Vlog Service.
Hi YouTube, Mikey Pickett here. Just had a haircut. It's been a really rainy day. It's the remainder of a typhoon, essentially, a tropical storm. Makala working its way through Japan now, really. But it's no longer a tropical storm, it's not even tropical depression, but it's associated weather systems make it very wet all day. And I'm just checking in because I hadn't made a video yesterday, really. And not much going on there really, just it's wet and it's rainy and I've just had a haircut, so my wife will be pleased. I just think whenever I shave I just look fatter, so I prefer to cover the fatness up with hair, basically. Yeah. Gotta look at human for giving a lecture tomorrow. Anyway, see ya. Well, it's getting windy again. See ya, bye.